Alright, the first project I'll show you how to do are these small Santas. They're super easy and quick to make, and you can build them with your kids because it doesn't require a lot of tools. Now you can use whatever wood you got lying around. This is actually pine from an old pallet. Now the height and the width, it doesn't really matter, whatever you prefer. Now the width of mine range from 80 to 100 mil, which is about 3 to 4 inches. Now the only thing I do want to point out is I don't go under 25 mil in thickness, which is around 1 inch. If it gets too thin, it will tilt. We'll start off by finding the center of the board. There you go. Then I'll measure 10 centimeters down, 100 mil. Make a line, take my square, transfer it to the other side, and simply connect the center to this line here. Here we go. The opposite side. Here we go, and we need to cut this off. You can cut it off with a plain saw, or you can use a jigsaw, or I'll use my bandsaw. I've cut them on my bandsaw and given them a light sand, and now they're ready for some paint. Paint's all done. Now I've painted mine red and green and white at the bottom, but you can change that around according to your preference. Next up is the beard, and here are a ton of options. You can use different colors, different fabric, and so on and so on. It's just your imagination that will set the limit. I got a pro tip for you though. Before you take stuff from your wife, ask her first, because some of this is apparently very expensive. Now what we need to finish is some woolen thread, a stapler, glue gun, and some fabric that we can wrap around 2 or 3 times. Let me show you. And for the nose, I'm using these wooden half ball sort of thing. You can get these at any crafts shops around. And what I've done is just simply painted them, and we'll glue these on as well. There we go, first one ready. Second one. And there we go.